So Martin, we also asked you guys from Quantum, because you have the LiDAR Qube, to come out here, because for our work out here it's very important to have this LiDAR data. It's still new for us, so like what exactly can we use it afterwards for? Because you said it's going to be important for us. Pretty curious about that.
Well, you are happy that we just innovated this new LiDAR. It's the LiDAR Qube 240, and which we do together with Yellowscan from France. And this LiDAR is really a really helpful technology in this kind of environment. We can fly this LiDAR up to 140 meters above ground, and we can cover huge areas of forest, and I'm sure this data will help you to get much more and better information about your forest, and probably you can do some biomass calculations also with this kind of like data.
That's interesting. So how many points do you have there per square meter when you're flying to?
Well, in total I would say we will expect about 160 points per square meter, and we will have around about 20 or 40 points on the ground. And this is really the important thing. We need the ground as well as the canopy. And this is actually the difference to the photogrammetry, to the RGB images we did. This is just for covering the treetops, the canopy, but we can't see the ground, and you have no idea about the tree heights. With this technology, it's completely sorted out. You have the ground, you have the trees, and you can actually calculate the biomass of this area very, very precisely.
So you can actually see like the whole forest from the floor until the canopy?
Correct. You can see each single tree with the trunk. You can see the tree itself, you can see the canopy of the tree, and therefore the scientists can do much more and advanced calculations on the biomass production here in this protected part of the forest.
Wow, that's amazing. That's cool. I saw like the area were quite big. What are you doing? And I'm not sure, like how many flights did it took you for the whole area?
Actually, we did 12 LiDAR flights, 6 LiDAR flights for this area here, and 6 on the other side where we went with the boat to a different takeoff location. The sweet thing on the LiDAR is we could work the entire day on the RGB images because we needed a lot of RGB flights, but then we could expand our operation to the night. And you saw it, we have been taking off and landing all night long doing the LiDAR data, and this is the cool point because there are no clouds at night. We just had to stop in the early morning because of some mist. But night operations of LiDAR, that's the best we could do here, and all beyond visual line of sight. It was just working perfectly.
So it was really cool to have you guys here. Thank you for this, and I'm really looking forward to the next mission together.
Yeah, me too, and you're welcome anytime.